Hello, my name is Majella. I come from Northern Ireland. I have wanted to get my teeth done for a long time. I had an experience and a firm from Istanbul. They say I got in touch with them, but it doesn't matter who got in touch with who. However, I went there. I paid £3,500 deposit. The complete price was supposed to be £5,000. By the end of that treatment, I had paid almost £8,000 with my flights. But that would have been fine if the work had been good. I went home and I knew that things was not okay. I knew what they were doing. They did put in implants, but they were putting these teeth in with cement, and they cemented my teeth in. And I had no after check, no nothing. And as I say, I know it was so bad. I felt it in my mouth. I felt as if I had like plates or something in my mouth. I tried after that to get in touch with them, and every single person blocked me and would not answer my calls. So bad. Then I got a friend from England to ring them, which he did. They answered his call immediately because the phone number wasn't familiar to them. However, after that, they blocked him also. And to this day, they have never answered a call. Went home to Ireland, and to say I was distraught was an understatement. I had heard about Dentafly. I had actually been in touch with them about 3 years ago. And I decided, okay, I'm going to take my chances and I'm going to get in touch with this firm. I cannot tell you, and this is not a promotion video for anyone to come here, but I have never felt a weight lifted off me like what I do right now at this moment. This is my teeth. They were a fraction of the cost. The professionalism, the way I was treated from beginning to end, both with the dentist, with my coordinator, right down to the persons organising my transfers. Everyone went above and beyond to try and help me. I feel today like a different person. I'm totally happy. I'm looking forward to coming back. I will get my bottom teeth rectified. They also need done now also. And I can't thank these people enough. And that comes from the bottom of my heart. And it's 100% truthful, how do you say, recommendation that I would be given about this firm. It's no gimmick, it's no this, or, you know, I'm sure people hear a lot of gimmicks. Yeah, but this firm is not gimmick. This is real. It's the best place I could have been to. So much so, when I showed my friends in England this morning, and at that time I still only had temporary teeth then, they told me immediately, pass on my details where they want to come. And I'm only too glad that they didn't follow me to Istanbul. I would have felt really bad. The experience was horrendous. Horrendous is all I can say, but thanks to everyone here at Dentafly, I'm going home very happy and smiling, and I feel totally overwhelmed actually. I'm so thankful to everyone here. Thank you.